Ready or not, it is time for demo day.
Today's the day.
Eric!
Are you ready?
House number 2, this is
ready?
good.
Here we go.
Jenna, do you want to hold that? I break everything I touch.
Okay.
Eric,
are you
You
ready?
ready for demo, girls?
Woo!
So you guys get to pick your choice.
This is so cute that you have it set up like this.
We have your standard steel hammers. We have a wood handle.
All right, girls, you ready? Wow. This is best day ever. All right, okay, can I take the first swing? No, you can do the first one.
Wait, but I want to get a video of you.
Okay, ready? You guys have, I get mad. Like, ready, Shelby?
Okay, well, don't bang down the whole wall. Save some
Okay, ready?
Go for it.
1. Who hurt you?
Shelby with a sledgehammer is something that I never in my life want to see or hear again.
All right.
Oh my God, I loved it.
Okay, wait, Eric, how do you do this?
Oh, yeah.
Destroy it. Make them pay. Let me out it again.
Okay, Shelby, you are scaring me.
Woo!
Construction has officially begun.
Now that the project is officially underway, it's time to go to Zern to pick out the doors and molding.
We're back at our favorite place
Woohoo!
here at Zern to pick out all of the fun little aspects of whether or not we're going to be replacing doors. Not to mention when you start doing doors, then we're looking at all new casing that goes around the doors. So
You know me, nothing can be easy. Ever.
Okay, so I actually love the doors that we did at the GBOGH house.
And those were this door. 2-panel shaker. Square sticking.
This is one of my favorite parts of the process, but I have to continually remind myself and reel myself in that I have a budget to stick to and all of the final decisions need to fit within that budget.
So I see on the plan that you've got some, looks like some tongue and groove.
Yes.
So this is a finger jointed pine made by Windsor One.
I love it. Right now, I think tongue and groove, half wall in the kids' bath, and then full wall and ceiling in the back hallway. So it goes up and then it keeps the same line over on the ceiling.
oh, Eric's going to love you.
Eric's gonna wanna kill me.
Because they always have to plan for how thick this material is.
Yeah,
I know Eric's got it.
he's good at stuff like that. It's a good reel for him to make.
Yeah. Look at you just
We're
breathing
flying.
through
I know.
this.
See, I'm a new woman now. Okay, I'm pretty sure that I want the doors at the GBOGH house, but while we're here, we might as well go look at all the options.
Let's do that.
Cool. Wow, it is really gross. All right, a lot has changed It's like in full-on demo right now, which is so crazy. The biggest difference probably is that we like really went all out, like all out, which you'll see. So the living room slash dining room slash storage room is filled with so much random shit just because we have nowhere else. Like this is the space with the least amount of demo happening, so it's the hub of everything. Yeah, and that's really all that's happening here. Nothing too much, but eventually it will really transform. So this whole family room kitchen area has like completely transformed. By far the biggest amount of demo was done to this wall that divides the family room and kitchen. And that has been major for this space. It's made it feel so much more open and big. So that's really all that's happening in here. But then the kitchen is 100% demo. This feels like a completely different space. So they insulated all of it. We got all of the ductwork where it needs to go. Everything is completely demoed down to the studs. So this space is going to majorly transform in the next 3 months as we go on with this project. By far, the biggest downside in this house is that there's not a mudroom. So what we have decided to do is we're actually gonna tongue and groove this entire back hallway and really make it feel like its own individual space. And then we'll just put a few like coat hooks up right here. Half baths, I feel like, because they're so small, you can have so much fun with them. And so we're having a lot of fun moments in here. So this tile was like my starting off point. This is tiles from Bedrosian. It's a California company. So can you envision? I mean, that's gonna be so cool on the floor. Again, such a moment. The upstairs is for sure the biggest transformation in the house. So the owner's bedroom really does feel like a suite now. This is amazing. I literally had Eric the carpenter copy these exact dimensions over on this wall and paste it right here. It's like such an architectural detail. We're gonna have a window seat right here and then like lights coming over to here too. So it's gonna be really cute. The kids' bathroom really feels like it was always meant to be here. I was so worried that the bedrooms would feel too small and that the bathroom would feel too small, and it doesn't at all. Like, it really feels like this is how it should have always been done. So we exploded both of these rooms and then placed this bathroom in here. Moral of all of this, space planning wise, giving myself a pat on the shoulder because we went through so many iterations on how to get another bathroom in here, and it worked out exactly as it should have. The basement was by far the biggest predicament, and now I'm feeling super good about our decisions on how to lay it all out. We were able to put a bedroom down there with an egress window, so as far as like selling the house and listing it, it is completely a 4-bedroom house, because if we didn't get a 4th bedroom into this house, it would just kill the resale value. All of like our big issues, we really worked out, and now all of the things that I thought were deal breakers or problems are becoming some of my favorite aspects of the entire house. And then this was a big decision. We're having a shower down here, which I do just think helps my case. If there was like a teenager or a grandparent or a sister, whatever it is, like they have a full-on bathroom to use down here and they don't have to go all the way upstairs. The next steps for the renovation are to get drywall in here, and once the drywall's in, it completely transforms the house. It's like one of the most exciting parts of the whole entire renovation. Then everything moves so quickly. This first half of the renovation like is what I call the guts of it. I mean, it's cool to see your ideas come to life, but like the next few weeks and couple of months is when it's just like, oh my God, it's so exciting walking in.
The main thing that we were missing in the GBOGH house was window treatments. So for this house, we're teaming up with Budget Blinds, and it's time to make all of the selections. So this is the future living room, dining room.
These are like the furniture pieces. And so I found this and I like fell in love with it. I want this everywhere.
Yeah, I
think
mean,
it's
this is great. This is one of the most popular ones we have.
Window treatments are quickly becoming one of my favorite parts of a room, and they really just help elevate the space. They add texture, they add height to the room, width to the room, and it's just the finishing touch that every single room needs.
You know, for the most part with draper, I recommend lining, but
Okay.
I think if we did not do a lining in the kitchen, it will give you this
I would agree.
same look.
I would-
Let light come through. Still gonna be pretty private at night.
Yep. Okay, this is the owner's bathroom. So this
Yep.
same as the half bath downstairs. I just think this is like really pretty for a bathroom.
Yeah, very nice.
Is it
light,
this-
light and delicate.
Nursery. Coming back to my favorite
back
one.
to
I
the-
think this is my favorite one out of all of them. I mean, I want this in my own house.
I saw when you first saw this, you just went,
Oh, it was like, that's it.
yeah.
That is
I
it.
mean, it's really nice.
Okay, well, this is so awesome. I'm really excited. I just think like that's what the last house was missing so much, was just drapery.
For
like
sure.
it really is gonna take it to the next level. So, all right, I can't wait.
Yeah. Well,
Thank
thanks.
you. You
Yeah.
made it so easy.
Yeah, that's what we do.
I love it.
All right.
Going into the sophomore house, the dynamic of the BSL team has changed a little bit. So Sarah is still in New York City. She is living her best life there. Shelby is now in Chicago and she also loves it. I've added on 2 more people to the BSL Studios team. We have Sarah, who's the interior designer, alongside me, and then we have Jenna, who is the project manager.
What's going on? Thank you. It's nice to meet you guys. What's going on?
Nothing much.
Hey.
Wow, you really got everyone.
Yeah.
So like 2-ish weeks ago, we had a couple show interest in coming to see the house, and we had it like kind of like on a secret. It was like secretly on the market, so it wasn't actually on MLS. So the only reason you would know that it's for sale is if you heard it like word of mouth. So one couple came, and then like that next week, another couple came. And then they both wanted to write offers. So last week they both submitted offers. And then on Saturday, I accepted one of them, and the house is now under contract, which is so huge and such a relief for all of us. Their closing date's May 30th, which we're hoping to be done early May. So then we can get it like all staged and styled, and then get like photos, videos, everything that we need. And then they're moving in. I think if anything, it just made it more real, like, oh shit, like we actually have to get this done by May 30th. Because every week something gets pushed back, and like we can't get pushed back anymore.